exercise 4 section E question number 5. Now see, it is a similar question what we did for ungrouped, but now it is for discrete. Goals scored by two teams in a football session are as follows, and what is asked? Which team is underlined more consistent? Which team is more consistent in its game? Direct or inverse? Inverse. Whichever team's CV comes. Yes. Now put your pens down. See, number of goals scored in a football match is xi. That is going to remain common for team A as well as for team B. Then for team A you are given with frequency 15, 10 and so on. And as per the formula we require FIXI and FIXI square also. Same way, this all is for team. Same way for team B you are given with FI. We require FIXI and FIXI square. Any confusions with this? So give these headings and write the information given to you. Xi is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For team A, the frequencies are 15, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. And for team B, 20, 10, 5. Four, two, one. Total of FI is 42 for both. Who all are still writing up till here? Who all are still writing up till here? Shall I proceed further? Now first FIXI for team A. So FI 15 into XI 0. Did you understand it? So you can use the memory functions. Do 15 into 0 f plus 0. 10 into 1 m plus 10, 7 into 2 m plus 14, 3 into 5 m plus 15, 4 into 3 m plus 12, 5 into 2 m plus 10, total is 61. And then how do we find FIXI square? FIXI into XI means 0 into 0, 0, 10 into 1, 10. 14 into 2, 28, 15 into 3, 45, 12 into 4, 48, 10 into 5, 50. $181? Any confusions with this? Raise your hand. Question B, FIXI. 20 into 0, 0, 10 into 1, 10. 5 into 2, 10, 4 into 3, 12, 2 into 4, 8, 1 into 5, 5. Sit down. 45. And Bhavsar, FIXI square for team B. 0 into 0, 0. FIXI into XI. 10 into 1, 10. 10 into 2, 20. 12 into 3, 36. 8 into 4, 32. And 5 into 5, 25. Correct. So 10, 30, 60, 90, 110, 117, 123. Anyone having any doubt in this, raise your hand. Now procedure is same. First we will find x bar, then s, then c. Okay. So first of all for x bar, now this is discrete frequency distribution. Mansi, x bar what formula will you use? X bar, only x bar, last chapter we studied, chapter 3. Formula of x bar for discrete. Ruchi? Sigma Fixi upon n. Now for team A, what is sigma Fixi? 61 upon n is 42 total of Fi. What is 61 upon 42? 1.45. Now x bar for team B in the same manner. Rakshit? Sigma Fixi upon n for team B.
45
Sigma Fixi 45.
divided by 42.
N is also here also 42. 1.07. Sit down. Now standard deviations formula for discrete frequency distribution, will use the second formula. Anuraj, what is the formula of standard deviation?
Sigma x, sigma fi xi square upon n minus sigma fi xi square upon n whole square.
Sigma Fixi square upon n minus sigma Fixi upon n the whole square. So first we find standard deviation of team A. Disha? Sigma Fixi square 181 upon n is 42 minus sigma Fixi is 61 upon n is 42 whole square. Sit down. Then H3 181 divided by 42 4.309 minus 1.45 whole square. Further 4.309 minus
2.1025.
2.1025. 1.45 square is 2.1025. 4.309 minus 1025. 2.2065. Square root of that 49. After 48, what is the next number? 5. So 49. So is everyone clear with this? Same way we have to find standard deviation of team B also. So for team B, Krishan, what is sigma Fixi square? 123 upon 42. N is the total of Fi 42. Minus sigma Fixi is 45 upon 42 whole square. So now go ahead. 123 upon 42. 2.93. Exact 93. Tell me till 4. What did I tell you until the final answer? Take everything in 4 decimals. 9287. Okay, until the final answer, take it in 4 decimals. 2.9285 minus 45 upon 42. 07 1 4 whole square. Now square root of 2.9285 minus 1.1479. Now 1.7. Tell me 4 decimals until the final answer. 7806, and then square root is 1 point. This you round off in 2 decimals. Okay, until the final answer, take everything in 4 decimals. Did you understand this? Now we can find CV and then conclude. So CV equals to S upon X bar into 100. What will be CV of team A? 1.49 divided by 1.45 into 100. 102.76% without fail, okay? And CV of team B, 1.33 is the standard deviation upon X bar is 1.07 into 100. 125.23%. Any doubts in this? All are clear with it? So Rami, which team is more consistent? Yes, team A, because its CV is less. Inverse relation. Whosoever CV is less is more consistent. So you'll write thus, team A is more consistent because its CV is less. Okay, it is more consistent because its CV is less. Yes? 1.33 divided by 1.07 into 100. 124.299, so 124.3. Who said 125.23? Did you understand this, everyone? Still, team A is more consistent because its CV is less. Switch it off.